All right. How to attract an Instagram model. Now, these Instagram models are not official models, right? They are not Twiggy, they are not Tyra Banks, and they are not Naomi Campbell. They are Nikayla, they are Taylor, and they are Letitia, right? All of which, some of us probably went to school with them, some of us probably lived on the same council estate. If you're from a council estate, lived on a council estate with them, right? They are nothing special. But with these social media websites like Twitter and especially Instagram, they have made these women into cyberspace celebrities, right? Now, they do look really good, right? They look amazing, right? I don't know if it's surgery and or filters and Photoshop, but these women look amazing, right? And most men who are watching this now, right, have probably spent hours, maybe not an hour straight, maybe not, but hours binging over photos of these women on their mobile phone, right? Because I've done it before, right? Now, what type of guy can get hold of one of these women, right? Now, you probably think, oh, easy, you know, a man with money. Whoa, it depends on what type of guy with money, first of all, right? If you are a surgeon, right, you earn 200 bags for the year, right? £200,000 for the year, right? She will not be interested in you, right? Even if your name is Bill Gates, right? She would not be interested in you. And I'll tell you why, right? You don't have that mainstream status, right? Now, someone like Bill Gates, right? If a girl was interested in him, it would only be a short-term thing. And if it was long-term, he's probably going to be a sugar daddy, right? So she'll just rinse him, right? So then you probably think, okay, well, if it's not a man with money, okay, easy then. Oh, a bad boy, a tug, right? No. These girls have evolved past thugs, right? They'll leave that to the average pretty girls who probably only have 100,000 followers, right? They believe they're beyond that now, right? The only type of guy they would be interested in is a footballer, or maybe like if you was in America, a basketball player or a boxer, right? Now, why a footballer, right? Because this type of person definitely have swagger, right? They will definitely have swagger, and they will definitely have a name, right? Just like a boxer, just like an NFL player, right? They'll have the swagger, and they'll have a name, right? Now, if you were one of these footballers, right, it would be so simple to attract one of these women, right? Because believe me, these women go out looking for these men, you know. I'll call it, you know what, right? No disrespect, but you can actually call it high-class prostitution, because I know some of these women, right, probably will find out where and what types of clubs these men go to, and they will find themselves there, right? That is what you call the ultimate high-class prostitution, right? Because they will they will meet these guys, right? And they will get pregnant by these men, right? So that they can have their baby, obviously, so that they can be set for life, right? Now, if you're a footballer, right? The easiest way to attract one of these high-class prostitutes, right? One of these Instagram models would be to do the following, right? You wouldn't even need to go to a club, right? All you need to do, now remember, I done told you lot, do not DM these women, right? But all they'll need to do is have an Instagram profile that is public, right? Not private, public. And all they'll need to do is take a photo of them in their football kit, right? In the middle of the pitch, right? Say, for example, they're wearing a Chelsea football kit, right? In the middle of the pitch, and send that photo to the woman, right? Via DM, right? With a caption under it, with one word, right? Now, They don't have to send them some stupid message from some pickup artist that they heard on the internet. Oh, violets are orange and roses are blue. No. They will send them a photo of them in their football kit with a caption with one word underneath it. Hi. And it's a wrap from there.